Abdul was very pleased to hear of your capture. We'll have some fun together.
Where's Abdul?
He decided not to come. Now, if you'll excuse me, I'm going to have my fun.
I got one more silver dollar, but I'm not gonna let them catch me, no. Not gonna let them catch me, no.
John moves to take a seat as the funeral director exits his office. He spots John and ventures down the long hall into the parlor. John takes a seat, and the funeral director approaches and stands before John.
Mr. Robinson, I hope I'm not disturbing you, but is there anything else that you need?
No, thank you.
The funeral director walks away.
Okay then, enemies. He's Ahmed. And he's Nika.
Pleased to meet you. You know, Georgian, you may know already. Don't be afraid. I've promised our Savior not to kill you in his house.
You don't